Welcome friends, welcome back to my flop show. I am here today to break down a whole chicken and show you how I will do this and mention the name of each part of it after it breaks down. Hope you enjoy this video and in the meantime gain a little knowledge of simple touch of butcher.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit and you are in my flop show.
Hey, let's start the fun. So this is the whole chicken that we buy from the supermarket. We buy it as frozen and after 2 days of thawing in the chiller, we get this form of it. After washing it in fresh water, I will start to break it from the wings. I will start with some simple touch with a knife to the joint of the part of the body and the chicken wings. Like this simple touch, and here is the wings out. Later I will show how to make a chicken lollipop from it, and now continue with the second side. Joint can be seen easily when you holding a whole chicken. You just need to go through the joints and boom. And here it is. Chicken wings are the best to make chicken stock for soup, but you can use it as a chicken lollipop, better than the best in my opinion. As of now, I place it to the side and continue with the leg part of the chicken. When you taking out the chicken leg, actually we call it quarter leg of chicken. First, you need to put a simple touch to the skin of it, the one I'm trying to show. From here, move your knife and done. Do the same to the other side of the chicken. Touch with the knife and hasta la vista baby. Now I cut the skin already and I need to break the joint from the thigh with the body. From here, the joint will be clearly visible. You need to detach the joints. Just hold the chicken like this, think of your manager and kill. We did 50% of the job done. Next, need some simple touches and bingo. Now use your knife, just take care of the scallops of the chicken to remain on the leg once you take out the full leg or quarter leg. Bones are already detached. Move your knife just through the carcass as little as disturbing the meat. The cleaner the bone, the better the butcher. So here is our quarter leg or full leg of chicken with skin on. From this full leg, I will break down 2 more parts and tell their names later in this video. Let's go through the other side of the chicken first and rewatch the process. As mentioned, cut the remaining skin and move your knife through the bone. Make sure scallop of the chicken leg should be virgin. Just need to place your knife on the right place and pull the leg softly and you will find the leg in your hand.
Merry Christmas.
Now the breast time. Many chefs like to break down it from the back side of the chicken, but I prefer to cut it from the front side. You can see the middle bone of the breast. We need to move our knife to the same place beside the bone on both sides. The same thing I am doing. Slice your knife beside the bones on the both sides and carry on moving your knife on the carcass. As the wings are already out, it is now more easier to take out the breasts. No need to give extra pressure, just soft touches with love. If you have any question, kindly write in the comment box. At the lower part you can see the fat line. This fat line indicates the joints of the meat where you need to cut. Most important to know the joints of the chicken for open and shut case. When I am cutting chicken, I cut very fast, but today I am going some slow motion for your better understanding. Once you take out chicken breast boneless, you can find a long piece of meat known as chicken tenderloin. As the name suggests, this is a very tender part of the meat. You can trim the extra skin or fatty part and use it as a ground chicken. So let's continue the other side of the chicken. Do the same as the first one and trim out the extra skin of the fatty part so your chicken looks better in shape. Maybe you can't do this so easily how I am showing, but if you continue practice on that, you will be perfect. And our other breast comes out. It can be used as sous vide or roast or can cut as per your dish preparation. Chicken breast is considered as a healthy part of a chicken as you can find raw meat on it, and this whole body bone known as chicken carcass. Normally we use it to make chicken stock. Don't forget to keep your area always clean. Now I am going to break down the chicken wings and I will show how to make the shape of chicken lollipop from it. We first need to make a mark on the chicken wings just a few centimeters up from the joints. Kindly notice my mark just upside of the joints. Then you need to hold the chicken wings like this and crack. The first single bone will come out automatically, and the second time you can see two bones will come out. In this case you just pull up the thinner bone. Now separate the two parts and roll the whole meat backside and you can see the shape of a lollipop. Do the same with the other part, and by doing this you can get two chicken lollipops from a chicken wings. Okay, let me show the other wings. Mark first a little upside of the joint, hold the chicken wings, think of someone and crack. Same story repeat. On the second crack you can see two bones, just pull out the weaker one. Then some simple touches, separate the two parts of the wings. The remaining part and the small bones you can use for stock, nothing to throw in garbage. Always keep in mind, a pro butcher never use a bin. Roll up the meat backside and your portion is ready for chicken lollipops. So as of now we get 4 chicken lollipops from the whole chicken, 2 beautiful chicken breast, and we will come back to the chicken quarter leg and I will tell you what we call it after it became 2. Now we are going to cut it off through the joints, and it is not a chicken quarter leg anymore. Now we will call it the chicken thigh, bone in, skin on, and the other one is chicken drumstick. Guess it is clear now. And with the another quarter leg, I am going to take off the bone from it. You can see the whole leg with 2 bones. For deboning this, you need to move your knife both sides of the bone by touching it top to down. And at the end of the big joint, push your tip of the knife under the leg bone and cut like this. Then clean the bone with a knife as no meat remains on it. At last, when bones are clean, cut out the meat from the joints, and here we go. This we call chicken leg boneless with skin on. Finish with cutting extra skin. So this chicken drumstick and chicken leg get a new name, chicken leg boneless with skin on. Now come to the breast part again and take out the tender part of the chicken. This part can be used in kebab, satay or grill. It's very tender and raw meat, good for those who avoid the lower part of poultry. I personally use this part as a stroganoff or make some julienne cuts also. So my dear friend, after I break down this whole chicken, I get the main carcass from this chicken, a couple of chicken breast, and along with the chicken tender or tenderloin from it, and we get the chicken wings from here. There's 2 chicken wings in a whole chicken, and if I break down this whole chicken wings, then we'll get 4 chicken lollipops. On Asian cuisine, chicken lollipops is hugely used. So we cut this one upper side of the poultry, all these are upper side of the poultry, and downside we get the chicken quarter leg. From this quarter leg we get 2 parts, chicken drumstick and chicken thigh with bone. These 2 parts, chicken thigh and chicken drumstick, and we debone. If we debone this chicken quarter leg, we'll get the other side, the chicken leg with skin on, boneless. So this is a chicken leg without bone, boneless. So bone is wrapped with this one. This is the whole one, and if it is wrapped like this, when you debone like this, the chicken bone is like this. If you have any queries, kindly comment. I'll surely answer on the comment, and see you on the next time. This is the whole thing I have done. Thank you very much for watching. Hope see you on next video. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit and you are in My Vlog Show.